Good morning, student. Today, in the class, we are going to solve some more question for not from profit organization. Okay, beta. So I am going to just start question number 14. Before that, all questions will solve or not? In last class, I was tell about that. You just try to solve the other questions. You will try. I think you will try. If any problem is there in that question, so tell about that by the phone. Ask me over the phone. Okay. So now today I am going to start one more question on the same topic where the subscription and other thing is given, outstanding and adjustment is given, and how we are going to show that subscription or expense or income in income and expenditure account, and these adjustment will show in a balance sheet in which way. So that we are going to start for that. Just I am going to start with the question number 14a in your book, in new book 14a. Okay, beta. Question number 14a. Okay. Now see the question. For the following information, calculate the amount in a subscription which is showing in a, that information is there. Start with the main question. We start on the subscription in error on 31st March 18. Okay, beta. 31st March 18. We are going to make for the 19, and here 18, 12,500. Okay, then subscription received in advance on 31st March 18 for the year ended on 31st March 19. It's for the 9, we are in 19, but for the last year, it's the last year advance. Okay, beta. Then total subscription received during the year for 31st March 19, on 19 you are receiving the subscription 4,60,000, but there include some subscription that including 10,000 of year ending 18, 8,000 for 31st March 20, 3,000 for 21. Okay, beta. Next, subscription outstanding of the year ending 31st March 19 for the current year. So we are going to start making the income and expenditure account. Just see how we are going to show in income side. I think we don't know about that. Subscription will show on the income side. We start with the subscription. By subscription 4,60,000 you are going to receive. Okay, you are received the amount of 4,60,000. Okay, beta. But in this amount, 10,000, 8,000 and 3,000. It's including for the others year. Okay, beta. So that will less from there. So 10,000, 8 and 3, it means total is the 21,000. So less advance of others year, total amount is 21,000 beta. Okay, 10,000, 8,000, it's a 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 3,000. What amount is coming beta? 934, 139, 439. Okay, beta, 4,39,000. Clear? Now next is the outstanding subscription. Subscription outstanding of the ended year 19, 20,000. Going to add there. Simple funda. Going to add this amount of 20,000 in this amount. Okay, beta. So then add outstanding 20,000. 4,59,000. Okay. Next, here the subscription received in advance from 2018 for the 18. It's only given for the year ended on the 31st March 19. It's for 19, but you are receiving 19. It means it's an advance of last year. So last year advance will add beta. Add advance last year 9,000. The total amount is 4,86,000. Answer will come, beta. On this way, we are going to show in income and expenditure account, income side, this subscription. First subscription, what you are receiving during the year, 4,60,000. Then the things or amount which is including in this 4,60,000 that will less than outstanding subscription of current year. Okay, beta. Outstanding subscription of current year, then add advance of last year. Clear? Clear or not? It's clear, beta. I think it's well clear. Only we are showing, beta, here. Okay, we are not going to balance them. Only showing in income and expenditure account. Then balance sheet is given in a book, but I am going to make the balance sheet, then you are well clear about adjustment. Okay, beta. Just see this year outstanding showing on asset side, that outstanding subscription beta for 19-20,000 plus, just see last year error, first heading, just see the first heading. A, last year error is 12,500. Okay, beta. And in this error we are only received included, just see where 4,60,000 given, 10,000 we are received. It means in this 12,000 only we are received 10,000 for last year. It means 2,500 error for last year is going on, is still going on. So that amount will add here 2,500 and total is 22,500 on this side. And advance, this year advance, beta, just see in included 4,60,000 for 3,000, 8,000 for 20 and 3,000 for 21. Advance for 20 and 21, 8,000 and 3,000, total is 11,000. Okay, on this way we are going to show the income and expenditure account, in the income and expenditure account of subscription and his adjustment of. Okay, beta, clear? Up to this is clear or not? Clear, beta? This outstanding 20,000, and from where is coming? It's coming from last year outstanding 12,500 minus 10,000 you are receiving. Okay, beta? From there it came. Okay, beta, clear? Clear or not? If clear, then I am going for the next question. Okay? Now, going for the next. Question number 14B. Okay, beta? It's a 14A. Then I am going for the 14B. First see the question, everyone. In the year ending 31st March 2019, subscription received by Prize Club Delhi were 2,50,000, including 15,000 for the year ending 31st March 18 and 13,000 for the year ending 31st March 20. At the end of year 31st March 19, subscription outstanding of the year ended 31st March 19 were 25,000. Current year subscription outstanding 25,000. Okay, beta. The subscription due but not received end of the previous year, last year, 21,000. Okay, beta. And white subscription received advance for the same year, current year, 16,500. Okay. Now going to show in income and expenditure account. buy subscription 2,50,000 beta. Okay, 2,50,000 subscription. Then add outstanding subscription current year for 19, 25,000. What amount is going beta? 275. Okay. $275. 75. Okay. Then less advance of current year 19 beta, 16,500. It's a 16,500. Yes, 16,500. Okay. Then what amount is going beta? 500. 4 minus 6, 8, 6, 7 minus 1, sorry, 5 and then 2. Okay. Now next, 2,50,000 included 15,000 of the year ended while subscription received in advance on the same. It's the last year beta, it's the not current year, it's the add. It will be add 5,000, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9 and then 2. Then less included last year and advance year. Okay, one is 15,000 and 13,000 is total is 28,000. Okay, that we are not less from here only, we can less from here only also, but after last we are going to less this amount. Then 500, 3, 6, 2, 2, 6, 3, 5, 0, 0, 2, 6, 3, 28, 2, 6, 3, 5, 0, 0. Okay, beta? Clear? Here they are not saying ki yes, yes. And how we are going to show India 31st March 19 and the balance sheet. Okay, one thing is finished, then we are going to make the balance sheet beta. Okay, in balance sheet, outstanding subscription for current year, it's 25,000 beta, and last year subscription outstanding 21,000. In this we are receiving 15,000. It means 6,000 remaining, so that's 6,000 added here. Then it's a 31,000. Okay, beta. And advance subscription 13,000. Clear? It's clear or not? Tell me about that. It's clear or not? Because it's very important. We can write full. Okay, beta? Clear this both question? No. I am going for the next. It's a question number 16. It's a question number 16. One question 15 for you only. Okay? You will try it If any problem with that question, then ask for me. Then I will solve that question, don't worry. Okay? If you have faced the problem to solving that question, then I will. It's a 16. Okay, beta? Same. You all will read for yourself. Subscription. We are going to make the income expenditure account for 2020. Okay? Subscription received from 1st April 19, 45,000, 5,000 not received till now. Total subscription received here 6 lakh, in which again including 32,000, 30,000 and the amount of 20,000 and 3,000. I think well known about this thing. Subscription received in advance 19 same year. That will what? Last year brother add. It's the first number the last year, and the subscription in error as on 31st March 20, it means current year. We are going to start with that. Income and expenditure account. Income by subscription 6 lakh. Okay, less including for 18-19 32,000, then 2021 21 22 2021 20,000, sorry 30,000, then it's 20,000, and then 22 23 that amount is only 5,000. Okay beta, add these all. The total amount is 30 30 60 80 87, less from here 87,000. Then amount is coming 3,000 1 lakh 5 lakh 13,000. Okay, then add the outstanding beta. Okay, last D, outstanding for the current year. Add outstanding current year. That amount is I think 70,000. 5 lakh 83,000 beta. Okay. Then before that, subscription received in advance for last year, that will also add. And advance 30,000 received plus 10,000 for last year, less from there. Then 20,000 will add. 6 lakh 3,000. Okay, 6 lakh 3,000. Then just see, last year's outstanding is 45,000. Okay beta, first last year outstanding is 45,000. 5,000 is still you are not received, and this year you have received 32,000 just included. See the second B, included 32,000 for last year. It means in this 40,000 you have received only 32,000. It means 8,000 is still going on as a outstanding for last year. So less outstanding last year 8,000, then 5 lakh 95,000. Okay, it's came clear. No need to show in balance sheet, but if you want then I will show, don't worry. Okay, for 2020 I will make the balance sheet. Balance sheet, just see the balance sheet. This year total advance in 20 beta, outstanding in 20, subscription 70,000, and advance subscription just see 2021 21, 22, 22, 23, 20, 50 and 5, 55. But just see fourth, see subscription received in advance for 2021 10,000 here only. Beta 2021 10,000 here only again. See total is 30,000, 20,000, 5,000 and again 10,000. Total is 65. Okay, beta. On this way we are going to show in balance sheet. Clear? It's clear or not? Clear, beta? Now I am going for one more question. Question number 17. Okay, beta? Their subscription received during the year ended 31st March 2017 by this 15, 16, 16, 5,000, 17, 18, current year 1,08,000, next year 17, 18, 3,000. Your total member is 240, 500 subscription annually and 9,000 outstanding for the last year. Okay, beta? Now we are going to show in income and expenditure account. Expenditure account. By subscription 1,08,000. Add outstanding current year 12,000. You will ask about that, from where 12,000 is came. Just multiply 500 into 40. 120 needed now, beta. You have the member of 500 and per member given 240 member you have. 240 member you have and 500 per. The total amount is 120, but we have only received amount, beta, 1,08,000. It means 12,000 is what? Outstanding. Here 120. Okay, beta. Then balance sheet. Outstanding subscription 12,000 and 4,000 more, 16,000. From where it came, beta? Just see, 12,000 you well known. Just see, outstanding from last year 1st April 16, last line 9,000, but we received 5,000. Just see, 15, 16, 5,000, only 4,000 remain, beta, na? 9,000 minus 5,000, that amount is here 16,000. And advance subscription 3,000. Just see, 17, 18. Clear? On this way we are going to solve the questions, beta. Okay, and all remaining question you will try it and finish it, because in next question I will going to start one full question of income and expenditure account, balance sheet, opening and closing. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Thank you.